So I have added survival mode, and a friend of mine has added a character sprite editor into my Minecraft clone. As you can see over here, I have added the ability to give your player a name, which you can type in there. For example, I'll type Upmost Orc. And there's my name, and now I'll show you the skin editor. So click on edit characters. My friend Lumixo free made the skin editor. As you can see there at the top, you can choose your colors and draw in it. So I'm just quickly going to draw something simple onto my sprite, and then you can save it, of course. So I just click save, and it will reopen the menu automatically. And as you can see there, my changes has been made. Oh, and also I've added the random text in the menu. So let's see, when I press on play, this is the world as usual. And I am quickly just going to build something quickly to show you. So it's just the floor. Oh yeah, I'm going to show you guys now survival mode. Wait, let me just quickly build something. I'm just going to place down some sand over here. I think I have shown the sand working before, and over here is water. As same as usual, I just need to make it so that it's better working like lava, so you could like swim in it. And here is lava. So when I press C, I go into survival. As you can see, there's the F3 menu in the corner. Now I can go into the lava, and as you can see, I will start taking damage. And eventually, I will die. Press R to respawn. And also, when you press exit, there's the menu that pops up, so I can press on exit. It will take me back to the main menu. Play edit character, and there I can choose exit again. So this is what I've added to my game so far. And see you next.